Hey guys, May Turner from PhoenixFire Designs here. I have a quick video today just talking about wire. Given that I make a lot of pieces with wire, it's kind of my bread and butter these days, and I thought it might be interesting to go over some of the differences in type and gauge and just give you a little basis of a background on some of the materials that I use. So give it a watch and let me know what you think. So these are all some examples of dead soft wire, meaning that it is the most bendable, the most flexible. As you work it, it does get firmer and more rigid. You can also get half hard or full hard wire, which is already very stiff and doesn't want to bend. A lot of times it's easy when you're doing wire wrapping, you want to have a dead soft wire because you need to manipulate it and it stiffens up as you use it. So if it's already too rigid when you start, you're not going to be able to manipulate it. The thing to remember is that the smaller the number, the thicker the wire, the bigger the number, the thinner the wire. I know it seems a little backwards, but that's how it goes. So this, for example, is 12 gauge, which is, a very thick wire, and even being dead soft, it takes much more to manipulate it and to bend it than a thinner wire. So you see that it kind of ends up thick. Now a 16 gauge, I don't know if you can see, this is 12 and this is 16. So a 16 is still thick, but it's a little easier to bend. Oop. Okay. This is a 20 gauge. You can see we're getting thinner still. And again, this certainly makes a lot, you can see how they're getting thinner as we go. 24. Now this is so thin you don't even need tools, but just to give you an idea, you could use your fingers for that, but just trying to give you an idea of spirals here, what they would look like. And 26. Like so. And now, of course, something thinner like a 26, it also twists very easily. So you can end up with different twisting, same with the 24, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, right? A 20. And then you can't do that really as much with this 12 or the 16. But anyway, that gives you a little bit of an idea of the kind of thing that you can come up with. So obviously, the thinner the wire, the more intricate you can wrap it because it's just more flexible in general. So I hope that just kind of helps give you an idea what you can do with some of these different gauges of wire. I hope you found that interesting and informative, and I would love to hear your suggestions in the comments below of other topics that you might want to know more about, maybe questions about materials or my process, different things like that. So please feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see me talk about on future videos on this channel. And don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe and share this video with your friends. I'd love to have this be a more interactive channel where we can grow and learn together. So thanks so much again, guys. Appreciate you watching. Take care.